Hello, friends. Today we will discuss a great challenge mm, which India or globe is facing through economic development versus environmental damage. So, development and damage go side by side. Economic development refers to the process by which a nation improves the economic, political, and social well being of its people through industrialization, urbanization, and income growth. However, this process often comes at a cost, that is, environmental damage, such as deforestation, pollution, and loss of biodiversity. So we can say as countries grow richer, they often harm nature unless growth is made sustainable. So conflict between development and environment. Industrialization leads to boost GDP but causes air and water pollution. Urbanization improves living standards but increases waste and land degradation. Energy demand supports growth but leads to fossil fuel dependence and global warming. Example is India's economic growth versus environmental impact. India's economy has grown rapidly since 1991 due to liberalization and industrial expansion. But this growth caused air pollution in Delhi and other metro cities due to vehicle emissions and industrial smoke, deforestation for roads, mines, and housing projects, water pollution from untreated industrial effluents in rivers like Ganga and Yamuna. For example, the Vedanta mining project in Odisha promised economic benefits and jobs, but it threatened the Niyamgiri Hills, home to the Dongria Kondh tribe and rich biodiversity. After protest, the project was halted, showing the tension between growth and environmental preservation. Global example is also there. China achieved record economic growth through manufacturing and exports. However, heavy coal uses led to severe air pollution, smog, making cities like Beijing among the most polluted in the world. Recently, China has invested heavily on renewable energy to shift towards sustainable growth. Balancing both sustainable development to resolve this conflict, nations aim for sustainable development, economic progress without harming the environment through policies like renewable energy use, solar and wind, afforestation programs, pollution control laws, eco-friendly urban planning. Aspects